Hello guys, I'm back once again. Today my video is related or pertaining to the issue with my car. Somebody stole my catalytic way back in December 2019 and I have to wait a month before the catalytic converter will be delivered to the shop and have it fixed. So as soon as I get it, more problem pop up. Check engine light will not be or cannot be deleted at all. So watch this video up to the end and I will tell you what's wrong with it. Okay, but before continuing this video, I'll eat my donut first. Okay, just for fun, just to add spices to my video. I like donut. I don't know about you guys, but donut with sugar, okay? And also I have a coffee too. Today is Friday morning. I have to enjoy my donut first and after this, continue watching my video. I am here in the parking lot and taking this video. What is shown on my dashboard? As you can see, it says service engine zone. Okay? Service engine zone. That means it needs to be serviced, right? But in reality, when I bring this on the car dealership and have it serviced, and they found out something. So watch this whole video and I will tell you what is really the problem behind this service engine zone notification in the dashboard. Okay? I don't need an introduction for this video. I'm kind of upset. Somebody stole my catalytic converter in the garage. They took everything including the sensor. And the other day, I bring my car into the car dealer and I have it serviced. And I also remind them there's a check engine that they need to check it out. So they lift the car and they show to me what's the main problem, why the check engine cannot be removed. It's simple as that. They found out the issue where the check engine is popping up on the dashboard. A big mistake. Look at the pictures of the auto sensor, and they use electrical tape to splice the wire. And that auto sensor is after the catalytic converter, and look at the other auto sensor before the catalytic converter. It's all twisted. In the middle of this video is a splice box where the connection of the oxygen terminal should be connected inside. But if you look at, or you have to follow the wire that's coming out on that splice box, look at that. There's a tape on the wires. They use electrical tape to splice it. And that goes, I think that's after the catalytic. is so shaky because I have to roll underneath. But as you can see, this is the splice box where the terminal should be connected. Probably it's a plug type, male or female. Sorry guys, my hands are shaking, but I have to do this just for presentation purposes. And every job needs to be counter-checked, but I don't have no choice. I have to rely on the shop, and this is the outcome. The check engine cannot be removed from the dashboard because of these two sensor, or the oxygen sensor that is installed improperly.
A few moments later.
Look at the splice that they did. The top side. Look at the wires that connects to the auto sensor. It's so very twisted, and this auto sensor is connected before the catalytic converter. This, I don't know what they did, but if you look at it, the wire is so very twisted. I'm underneath the car just to show it. How did he install it? And the other auto sensor, here it is. This is where the wire of this decut before the splicing box on the other side, and splice it with electrical tape. This is a simple job, but I don't have a space to work on. I have to have the shop work on it, and this is the outcome. For presentation purposes, I am showing right now the oxygen sensor. There's a wire at the end of the sensor, and the connection is like a male, where it should be connected inside the box. That's the proper way. Alright, lastly, lesson learned on this issue regarding this check engine in the car. Please spend a moment, if it happened to you, please spend a moment to counter check what they have done in your car. You know, people nowadays, I cannot say really bad, but from now on I will not trust no one. As simple as that. But anyway, check out what's really the causes of the check engine, and I do hope people will learn something about this video, and from now on too, every work on my car, it will be monitored properly. Anyway, that work on my catalytic converter is covered by insurance, but I hate it's a big hassle. Right now you have to wait like 90 days just to get that oxygen sensor, and for the catalytic converter you have to wait like 3 to 4 months. stealing catalytic converter right now is so rampant that most of the supplier cannot even supply the demand. So we'll have to end this video. And thank you very much for watching, guys. I still have my donuts. Okay? Thank you. Wait. This is not the end yet. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Love you all, and have a pleasant day.